Guys, you know that feeling when you have a brilliant app idea, but you don't know how to code? Or maybe you're tired of spending months building basic features that should take days? Well, I just discovered this platform called Rocket that might change everything. This isn't just another no-code tool. It's the first vibe solutioning tool. It's like having an entire product team working right in your browser. I'm Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you how this platform can turn your wildest ideas into reality. We'll build a complete mobile app from scratch, add real database functionality, and integrate AI features. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. Alright, my friends, let's talk about what makes Rocket special. This is an AI-powered app builder that works with natural language prompts. You literally describe what you want to make, and it creates fully functional software. But here's where it gets interesting. The tool doesn't just generate mockups or wireframes. It builds real applications with working backends, payment processing, and live integrations. The platform supports both web and mobile development. For web apps, you get React with modern frameworks. For mobile, it uses Flutter to create native iOS and Android programs. What really sets it apart is the integration ecosystem. Guys, we are talking about Supabase for databases, Stripe for payments, OpenAI for AI features, and dozens of other services, all connected with simple prompts. The best part is that you own your code completely. Download it, host it anywhere, modify it however you want. This isn't a locked ecosystem where you're trapped paying monthly fees forever. Since software development became accessible to everyone, the demand for tools like this has exploded. Users expect professional quality apps, and Rocket makes it possible for anyone to deliver exactly that. Alright guys, let's build something real together. I want to create a fitness tracking app that helps people monitor their workouts and nutrition. First, I'll head over to Rocket's website. The interface is clean and straightforward. You can start with templates, import Figma designs, or build from scratch with prompts. I'm going with the prompt approach today. Let me describe exactly what I want. Now here's something smart, folks. Instead of building everything at once, the tool shows me the screens it thinks we need. I can pick exactly what to generate, saving tokens and time. I am selecting the dashboard, workout login, and nutrition tracker screens. I'm also selecting the progress gallery and AI coach screens. That gives us a solid foundation without going overboard. And this is where the magic happens, people. The smart tool starts building our app in real time. We can watch the progress as each screen gets generated. The platform tries to create as much functionality as possible from that first prompt. This process takes about 15 to 20 minutes, but you don't need to sit and wait. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, we have got our basic app structure, but it's using mock data. Let's make this thing actually work. I'm going to connect this to a real database. I'll prompt Rocket to integrate with Supabase for user authentication and data storage. The platform asks me to create a Supabase project. I'll name it Fitness Tracker and set a secure password. Within seconds, our app is connected to a real backend. But here's where it gets really cool, you guys. Let's add some AI functionality. I'll prompt it to integrate OpenAI for personalized workout recommendations. This isn't just a chatbot either. The intelligence understands my specific goals, workout history, and dietary preferences to give targeted recommendations. Let's take this app to the next level, my friends. With one prompt, I can add Stripe payments. Rocket can generate everything from subscription pages to feature gates automatically. You also have the option to integrate Resend for email notifications, like reminders, progress updates, and coaching tips. These tools can work together seamlessly, allowing the AI coach to trigger emails, while payment status controls access, all perfectly synced with the database. The visual editor lets me tweak colors, layouts, and elements instantly. And if I need bigger changes, I just describe what I need in chat, guys. The platform even shows a code diff after each update, and I can roll back to a previous version with one click. Designers will love this feature. This thing can import your Figma designs and turn them into functional programs. I connect my Figma account and bring in a fitness app mockup. The platform scans all the screens and lets me pick which ones to convert. Guys, it's not just copying visuals. The tool analyzes the layouts and extracts components to generate working code that matches the design. The imported screens keep responsive behavior, navigation, and interactive elements. If the Figma file has prototypes, Rocket respects those connections, or you can add navigation with simple prompts. Now guys, let me show you what we've accomplished in just 30 minutes. We built a complete fitness app with everything from database storage to payment processing. The software handles workout login, nutrition tracking, and progress photos. All the code is production ready. This would normally take a development team weeks or months to build. We did it in one session with natural language prompts. The total cost was minimal compared to hiring developers. And unlike other platforms, I own the code forever. No monthly fees to keep my app running. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Rocket represents a fundamental shift in how we think about app development. This isn't just about building faster. It's about making professional creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're an entrepreneur with a startup idea, the platform has something valuable to offer. Designers who want to see their concepts come alive will benefit too. Developers who want to focus on complex problems instead of boilerplate code can take advantage of it as well. Have you ever had an app idea that never made it past the concept stage because development seemed too complicated? This could be the solution you have been waiting for. Folks, try it out and share your builds in the comments below. I'd love to see what you create. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and till next time.